I used to hate cold cucumber soup. I never saw the point until I had this one. This one is really delicious. It's cucumbers, wheat berries which have been cooked, some spinach, and a really delicious chopped spice paste of garlic and cumin. Now all this goes together to make a really special chilled spring soup. Look and learn. Now we're going to be using wheat berries for this soup, and this is what they look like straight out of the packet. If you can't find wheat berries, you can use farro, which these days is, or spelt, which these days are kind of easier to find. Now I've already soaked this overnight, and you can see the difference in the volume. This is exactly the same amount, so this will make it much easier and softer to cook, and this will take 30 minutes, this will take 50 minutes. Boil the wheat berries until tender and chewy, about 30 minutes if you've pre-soaked them, or 50 minutes if not. Now all you need to do with this is just set it on the stove and let it boil for about 30 minutes until the grains are tender. And this is how they look when they come out. So you can see from this, you've gone to something that's really much bigger. Now these are still chewy and delicious. Now we're going to make a garlic paste. Now literally just have to take the skins off. Now we don't need a whole lot for this, but if you've got one of those little mini choppers, you could probably put it in that, and it really goes quite fast. I'm just going to put a pinch of salt on this. Now I've got some toasted cumin here. This is cumin that I just dry toasted in a pan, and I'm just going to chop it. Now I'm going to put in, this is about 3 cups of yogurt. This is Greek yogurt. This is juice of about half a lemon. Okay. And now we're going to put in about a cup of water. Just gradually stir it in. Now once that's all blended, I'm going to put in the cucumber and the cooked wheat berries. There we go. And put in a bit more water just to get it to the consistency that I want. We salted the cucumber. We've got a lot of the liquid out. It will still get up more into this. I'm just going to put a couple of sprigs of mint in here. Gosh, I always love the smell of this. Okay. So this is going in here now. As we're going to put this now into the fridge for a couple of hours, because this is really how it should be, just delicious, chilled, and all of the flavors from the garlic and cumin and mint are all going to infuse that yogurt. Now while the yogurt is in the fridge and just chilling, I'm going to just cook this baby spinach. Now there's 2 ways we can do it. I'm just going to put it in the regular way. But at home sometimes, if I'm just doing a handful for myself, or a couple of handfuls, I'll literally just put it into a colander and pour boiling water over it, and you'll be amazed, it just wilts enough to cook. Now there's not much water in there, so I'm just going to and I'm just going to squeeze the water out of it. In fact, when any greens that you cook like this, like can be spinach, kale, it's always good to, broccoli raw, it's always good to squeeze it out. Now I'm just going to roughly chop it. I'm going to just stir this all into it. And that's it. The yogurt and wheat berry soup.